What's going on, everybody? Back again to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to detail your engine bay using two products. That's right, just two products. I am a very big fan of Chemical Guys and Detail Garage. Have some great relationship with those people in LA and now here in Texas. Definitely my go-to people when it comes to just detailing the car. Over the last couple of years, I've gone really into detailing and learning about it. I do everything on the car myself. You know, it just kind of become sort of a passion of mine. And today my engine bay is looking a little like it needs some love though. So if you kind of look around, the camera may not catch it though, but you know, if I do this, you know, that's not good though. So we're gonna touch it up again, just using two products. So as far as the engine bay is concerned, we're just gonna go with Nonsense. Really like this stuff. I actually use it for my interior as well, do like my dash pieces, center console, that kind of stuff. But this is a really nice product. Again, all you need is just a couple sprays, a detail brush, and you're good to go. I am gonna show you a little 50-50. I did already take a picture of the engine bay, so I can show you guys sort of a before and after. So it'll be pretty easy, nothing too crazy, not too simple. This should probably take you easy 30 minutes, maybe an hour, if you really kind of take your time and just try to get through all the crevices of the engine bay. So without further ado, you will need your Nonsense cleaner. We are using VRP. I love this stuff I usually use this for my tires, only because it's water-based. It doesn't run, it doesn't kind of splash everywhere when you drive around, and also on my trim. So a lot of the black trim, it gives it this really nice kind of deep shine, which is pretty cool. And then as soon as you apply it, which is pretty cool, you can kind of touch it, it won't come off, it won't leave any kind of residue, which is pretty cool. So I use VRP. And then obviously I've got my brushes, rags. Without further ado, let's get cracking. All right, first off, I'm gonna use some painter's tape and draw a line down the middle of the engine bay cover. That way I can kind of show you guys a little 50-50 of dirty and not dirty, and then we'll go. All right, it's not really sticking, but whatever. You guys get the point. Give it a little shake. We're just gonna let's do the right side. Let's change the setting on that. There you go. And then take your brush, and then what I like to do too is kind of spray the brush, get some product in there, and just start working it in. Okay, now you're going to take your microfiber cloth, and then trick is you want to go wipe in the same direction. That way you're not going to scratch your engine bay cover, and it's just less scratching the better, right? All right, we're going to continue on the right side of the engine bay, same process, same thing, and then we'll hit it with some VRP and then give you a little final product. Again, give this cover a little spray. Cool. Alrighty. Okay, let's put this baby back on. Again, pretty simple. The cool thing about these brushes is obviously the different sizes. So I usually use the bigger brush for just the bigger areas, and then when you want to get into small little crevices and creases, you can kind of use your two different brush sizes. So that's kind of nice to have. Again, purchase these at Detail Garage. also going to take care of all this over here. Alright, now we're gonna go with the VRP and then start touching up all of the plastics and all that kind of stuff, and then kind of really finish off this right side of the engine bay. Give it a good shake. I'm gonna grab your applicator. And then you're just gonna sort of blot like all the plastics and everything, and then you're gonna go over it and give it a nice even coat. Alright, now that you guys see the difference, I'm going to knock out the entire left side and then give you one final shot of the finished product. Then guys, after the engine bay has been coated with the VRP, I usually just take another rag and just kind of wipe off any of the excess. And there you go, that's it. Good to go. Nice and clean. Definitely a huge difference. But we'll take a picture right now and show you guys the before and after. But it looks way better than I kind of did before. Definitely didn't go too deep into it. Again, I could have done the back of the engine, all that kind of stuff. Could have gone in more in depth. But I just really wanted to get rid of all the surface dirt. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and we will see you guys on the next one.